Hello, hello. All right, so tonight I'm working with a Payne's Gray base, and all my paints are mixed with mix, 7-to-1 ratio. And I did a base coat of the Payne's, and I think what I'm going to do is a funnel pour, if I can get the funnel, there we go, across this area. I've got Deco Art Satin Enamel White, Impure White, and then I have 24K Gold. I have Blue Quartz by Folk Art, and Turquoise Deep by Liquitex Heavy Body Paints. And I think that's about it. So I just put, I just drizzled some across here so that I can get this in here. And so we're just gonna start filling this here. And some Payne's Gray. We're gonna do some gold, blue quartz, and deep turquoise. And I'm pouring from up high so that they will mix a little bit, and white. And it's really, my base is fairly thick. I did not thin out any of the paints. And we're just gonna run the line. And it's just a little too thick to run through the funnel on its own, so I have to lift it a little bit. Now I'm really just gonna let a lot of this flow off. All right. So there's a lot of paint on here. And what I'm gonna do is dip my stick in the Payne's Gray. Yeah, it's all right. I'm not sure what we're doing here. All right, so we're just having some fun. No rhyme or reason. Just a little something different. I'm gonna let it run right off the edge here. And we get a good amount down on that corner to run off of the back corner here. And I think I love it just the way it is, maybe, maybe not. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of Payne's Gray right here. Okay. I know we're probably off camera here, but I am trying. Okay. All right, so I'm maybe going to do a ring pour. I don't know, we're just playing at this point. Let me see what you guys are seeing. Something that can be a little more fun, I think. Yeah, maybe we'll do a ring pour. And a little more of that. Let's see what we can do here. I wanted to originally do the ring pour, but then I got hesitant. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. So I think I'll do it right here. And here we go. All right, so, all right, we're gonna fix that middle right there. May have poured too quickly. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it off over here, maybe. I'm just trying to keep it on the canvas because my whole negative space theory of it all is not gonna work. All right, I'm gonna settle this down in just a second. There we go. Okay. All right, so take my gloves off. I actually love the ring pour. It looks awesome. But I have some paint on my arm, so I'm gonna wipe that off first. and go from there. We'll be back in just a moment. Okay, here we go. Here it is. The final result. They're not dry results, but they are wet results. And I love Mix. And all the transparent lines in here with the Payne's Gray layered between them. The Payne's Gray is gonna dry so dark and beautiful. I mean, Golden's Payne's Gray is by far my favorite. But anywho, if you guys are interested in trying out Mix as well, they are a 2-person company. 2 artists came together to create this new pouring medium, and the effects it has is spectacular. You can buy Mix through the link I provide below and use Sarah Mack 1 as a 10% off coupon. So definitely give your Mix a try. So Mix right now isn't available around the world. Currently, from what I know of, it is just the US, but that could be changing soon. I know the girls are working on finding suitable shipping for international, etc. So definitely keep your eye out for that because it will be available. And I know there's a lot of folks on my channel that are from Canada. Don't worry, it'll get there too. It's just a work in progress for the girls. They've thrown everything into this pot to make this mix. And we want to make it as successful as possible. And the shipping will go down over time. They've been trying to work with the Postal Service with that and everything else. Anywho, enough of my babbling. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching. Tune in again in a couple of days.